What's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Roblox Studio's auto material generator. So first of all, you will go to Files, or just File, go to Beta Features on Roblox Studio, or scroll down to Material Generator. You will make sure there's a blue tick right there. Or you want to press Save, and it would give you an option to reset. You want to reset. Okay, so once you've done all that, you'll go here and there'll be a generate. You click on that and then it should work. See? So for example, you can use like scales. Just press generate and you'll see there's scales of a crocodile. I just rushed this, so you need to do it more in detail and not misspell any words like I did there. But once you've done that, you click on one you like, press save. First you gotta do a base material, press save. Then you need to go down here and you'll see the 4 that it gave you. So I'll just test them out right now. Right, so I have this right here. You can do all of them. As you can see, it changes. And apart from that, this video is over. So I'm going to be uploading some more Roblox Studio tips and tricks for you guys. So have a good day and have a good life. Make sure to subscribe. It's free. Can always undo it later. Press the notification bell. Like. I'll see you next time. Bye.